In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an IKEA promo code. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you have the best chance to save on your next IKEA purchase. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to IKEA's official website. It's crucial to select your correct country or region at this point, as IKEA often tailors its promotions to specific locations. Once you're on the site, if you don't already have an account, it's time to create one. To do this, click the Login or Sign Up option at the top of the page. Follow the prompts to sign up if needed. After you've got your account sorted, proceed to sign in by entering your email address. It's your gateway to accessing those exclusive offers. Once you're signed in, enter your password and ensure you click the Login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the Deals section on the IKEA homepage. This is where most of the magic happens. Inside the Deals section, you'll find the IKEA Family Offers. Here, navigate to either Offers or Member Deals. Be on the lookout for any promo codes under the current promotions or shop for items displaying the IKEA family price. Remember, for those items, no additional promo code is necessary. For even more savings, consider signing up for IKEA newsletters. Scroll to the bottom of their homepage, where you can enter your email under the Subscribe section. IKEA frequently shares limited time promo codes and sale alerts via email. Keep an eye out especially for seasonal and holiday promos, as these often come with unique discount links or codes. Additionally, if you prefer shopping on mobile, the IKEA app is your friend. Available through iOS and Android, it's packed with app-exclusive offers. Be sure to log in using your IKEA family credentials and visit the offers or coupon sections to see the latest app-exclusive codes. Social media is another excellent place for potential savings. Follow at IKEA on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. IKEA often posts about special promo campaigns or flash deals there, which could yield some unexpected savings. Lastly, consider third-party deal websites, but be cautious. Websites like RetailMeNot or Coupons.com can sometimes provide IKEA promo codes. Always verify that any links provided redirect you to IKEA's official site, ensuring you're avoiding potential scams. Once you've secured a promo code, you'll want to apply it during checkout. As you add items to your cart, don't forget to paste the promo code into the promo code or discount code field at the checkout page. Click Apply, and any applicable discount will instantly reflect before payment. With these steps, you're all set to maximize your savings on your next IKEA shopping spree.